Hello everyone! Let's draw a sticky effect like this in Procreate Dreams today. First, let's create a file. From the templates, select Square. Set frames per second to 12. Duration to 1. And I select 2K canvas resolution. I click Draw. I select black color and Studio Pen brush. Collapse the panel to flipbook. Let's draw half of a heart. Now we need to close the flipbook. Hold down the layer and duplicate it. Move the duplicate to a new track. Switch to default mode by clicking on the active mode icon again. Now flip the figure horizontally and move it to the left. Okay, it turned out a little uneven. Let's fix it. Great, now we can fill the resulting figures and apply full duration. Now we switch to timeline edit mode and group the layers. Switch to default mode and center the heart. If you hold the screen with your finger at this point, the help lines will appear. Okay, let's make a basic movement for the heart. To do this, open the group. On the left side of the heart, call the action menu, Move, Move and Scale. The first point was placed on the first frame. Now go to the last frame and set another point. Next, on the 7th frame, set another point, and move half of the heart to the left. And do the same for the right half. Let's look at the preview. I want to add dynamics, so in the middle you can also add an increase in size. Another preview. Okay, the base is ready. Let's start with the sticky effect. Go to a new track and collapse the panel to flipbook. Find the frame where the heart begins to split. Paint over the division completely. On the second frame, draw lines at the top and bottom. And then fill the rest of the heart with random ovals. And fill in the gaps with color. Next frame. To make it more convenient, I set up the onion skin. Here we try to repeat the pattern of the ovals. In the next frame, some of the lines begin to break. Also, the lines begin to sag downwards. Then we continue in the same spirit. The lines become thinner and sag downwards. Another frame, here there are very few lines left. Let's look at the preview. Now let's get down to the details. In the frame where the lines separate, add small strokes. And then gradually reduce them and blend them downwards. Well guys, the sticky effect is ready. Let me know if you liked it. See you in the next videos.